Good morning, students. In the last class, I had given you some assignments based on mole concept. So most of you have solved it and sent it to me. Thank you very much. So for the remaining, जो मैंने रही गले तक मैं solve कर दूँगी. So let us solve the assignments given first. Then we will proceed towards the remaining numericals of mole concept. ପରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ନୂଆ example ଅଛି କରିବେ. Okay. So coming to question number 1, calculate the number of electrons present in 1.6 gram of CH4. CH4 is methane. So in order to calculate the number of electrons, बहुत जो molecules calculate कर दीजिए. Okay, it's okay. I wanted to calculate the number of electrons. So first let us calculate the number of molecules present in 1.6 gram of methane. Then we can calculate the number of electrons. So molecules केमती बाहरिबा कहतिली. First we have to go for the molar mass of methane, CH4. So carbon is 12 plus 4 hydrogen atoms into atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1, total is 16. So what will be the molar mass of methane? 16 gram per mole, or we can write molar mass or molecular mass will be 16 gram. Then number of moles present in 1.6 gram methane. कौन कहती how to calculate the number of moles present in any substance? Now given mass divided by molar mass. So given mass is 1.6 gram, molar mass is 16 gram. So 1.6 means 16 by 10, 16 will cancel out, it will be 1 by 10. That is 0.1. Okay. So number of moles present in 1.6 gram methane will be 0.1. That means molecules का था number of molecules present in 1.6 gram methane. Now number of moles into Avogadro number of moles kete 0.1. I already calculate कर लो into Avogadro's number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So in the last class I have given you the formula. You can use it directly. Number of molecules present in the given mass of any substance is number of moles into Avogadro's number. कल कितना है देखो? ना 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. So number of molecules present in 1.6 gram methane will be this much, 6.023 into 10 to the power 22. Then coming up to the question, how many electrons are present? So number of electrons present in one molecule of methane. देखो carbon atomic number is 6. So whatever is the atomic number of proton is same and number of electron is also same. तेणु carbon ने कितना electron ଅଛି देखो ना 6. Hydrogen atomic number 1 contains 1 electron each. चारटा hydrogen अछि, there are 4 hydrogens. So 1 into 4. So number of electrons present in one molecule of methane will be 10. काहे ना carbon में अछि 6टा, hydrogen ने गोटे करी 4टा हेले केता हो 10टा. So each molecule of methane contains 10 electrons. So then the given number of molecules, that is 6.023 into कितना molecule बाचे 10 to the power 22. So 10 to the power 22 molecules of methane will contain how many? Now 10 into this one, 10. Each molecule contains 10 electrons, so 10 into number of molecules, 6.023 into 10 to the power 22. Now 10 now power increase, it will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. So number of electrons present in 1.6 gram of methane will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, most of you have solved it correctly. So then we will proceed to Then we will proceed to question number 2. Okay. So next we will come to question number 2. What is question number 2? What would be the volume occupied by 4.4 gram carbon dioxide at STP? Let's solve it. So answer. Always first point is to find out the molar mass carbon dioxide. So carbon is 12, oxygen has 2 atoms into atomic mass of oxygen 16, that is 32 plus 12 is 44. So what will be the molar mass of carbon dioxide? 44 gram per mole. Okay, or gram molecular mass will be 44 gram. Okay. Then volume occupied by 4.4 gram. So volume occupied by 4.4 gram carbon dioxide at STP. I am using the formula directly. Now volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas at STP is molar volume, that is 22.4 liter. So first we will calculate the number of moles present in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide. What is the number of moles? Now given mass 4.4 gram divided by molar mass, that is 44 gram. So this gives the number of moles present in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide into molar volume. Molar volume is 22.4 liter. Okay. So 4.4 means 44 by 10 divided by 44. 44 cancel out. It becomes 1 by 10. So it becomes 1 by 10 into 22.4 liter. That means it is 2.24 liter. Answer. Okay. So I will use the formula directly, or you can do it in the plant manner. That means in the process. First you calculate the number of moles present in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide. Now given mass, that is 4.4 gram divided by molar mass, it will give you the number of moles. Then 1 mole of any gas occupies molar volume, that is 22.4 liter volume at standard temperature and pressure. Okay. So I have combined both the step and put into a formula, that is the volume occupied by any mass of gas at STP will be given mass of the gas divided by gram molecular mass or molar mass into molar volume. Directly you can use the formula and get the answer. So this is the answer. Then we will go to question number 3. So next students will be coming to question number 3. How many molecules of salt, that is sodium chloride, will weigh 1 kilogram? That means in the reverse way I am telling, if you take 1 kilogram of salt, how many molecules of sodium chloride will be present in it? Same question. Okay. So keteta molecule sodium chloride ro ojon hobo 1 kilo ba 1 kilo jodi am sodium chloride naba sethire keteta molecule sodium chloride achonti. So let us solve it. So again come here to answer. Step 1, sodium chloride molar mass NaCl. Molar mass, sodium is atomic mass 23, chlorine is 35.5. So it is 58.5 is the molecular mass. So what will be the molar mass? Now 58.5 gram. 58.5 gram. Okay. So number of moles present in 1 kilo. Number of moles. What I am telling, number of molecules of NaCl present in 1 kg. Right? Present in 1 kg. Not required. Present in 1 kg. 1 kg means 1000 gram. Now first let us calculate the number of moles. Then each mole contains Avogadro number of molecules. So number of moles into Avogadro number will give you the number of molecules present in a given mass of substance. So number of moles now given mass now 1 kg or 1000 gram. 1 kg or 1000 gram divided by molar mass of sodium chloride, that is 58.5 gram. So this is the number of moles into Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So this one will be 17.09. This one will be 17.09 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So we should multiply these two. Let us see what happens. Now 17.09 into Avogadro number 6.023 17.09 into Avogadro number 6.023 106. So it will be 102.93 102.93 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So normally we use to represent these numbers in scientific notation. Next class में तो कही थी scientific notation. So there will be one place before the decimals only. So it will be proper writing will be 1.0293. So we have removed two places here into 10 to the power 25. We will increase the power by 2. If you write this one, no problem, it's correct one. But this is the proper notation, that is called scientific notation, which I will be discussing in the next class. Okay, so this is the answer. That is, this much molecules of sodium chloride will weigh 1 kilogram. Okay, so let's coming to the last question. That is, what will be the volume occupied by sulfur dioxide at STP, means standard temperature and pressure, which contains same number of molecules as present in 100 gram calcium carbonate. So as I told you in the last class also, this question has two bits, but we will be solving from the reverse side. Now first we have to calculate the number of molecules present in 100 gram of calcium carbonate. Why? Now because sulfur dioxide when contains the same number of molecules, what the volume it will occupy at STP? That is the question. So again starting from the reverse one, let us first find out the number of molecules present in 100 gram calcium carbonate. So number of molecules present in 100 gram calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate molar mass, calcium is 40, carbon is 12, 3 into oxygen is 16, so it will be 100. So what will be molar mass? Now 100 gram per mole. So number of molecules present in 100 gram of calcium carbonate कितने? Now number of moles कितने हो? Given mass 100 gram divided by molar mass 100 gram into Avogadro number of molecules. One mole contains Avogadro number of molecules. So given mole will contain given mole into Avogadro number of molecules. कितना होगा? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay, that means these two will cancel out. How many molecules it will contain? Now 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So this is the first bit. So now we find out the number of molecules present in 100 gram of calcium carbonate. So when sulfur dioxide contains the same number of molecules, what will be the volume occupied by it at standard temperature and pressure? Okay, so volume occupied by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of sulfur dioxide at STP. How to find out? Now first, in terms of molecules, we have to find out the number of moles. So given molecules कितने? Now 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by number of molecules present in 1 mole, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. That means this much molecules means 1 mole of sulfur dioxide into molar volume. Molar volume का करें 22.4 liter. Okay. So these two will cancel out. So the volume occupied will be 22.4 liter. So this is one way. By using the formula directly we can solve it. Or we know this much molecules means 1 mole. So 1 mole of carbon calcium carbonate means same number of molecules are present means 1 mole of sulfur dioxide, and you know 1 mole of any gas, sulfur dioxide is a gas, 1 mole of any gas occupies what volume at STP? 22.4 liter. So you can find the answer directly also, or this is how you can find out through process. Okay. So next we will be discussing some more numericals, and today will be the last one. I will be giving some more assignments, and we will be proceeding to the next page. Okay. Okay students, so we have already solved the assignments. Next we will be solving some typical numericals, so that we can conclude the whole concept in this class itself. So we have learned everything, not the atoms. So let us now learn how to calculate the number of atoms present in a given mass. Okay, question is, how many atoms of carbon are present in 36 gram of it? That means carbon जब तुमको 36 ग्राम दिया है 36 ग्राम, how many atoms of carbon will be there? You know carbon is monoatomic in nature. So what will be answer? Number of atoms. What is 1 mole of carbon? Na gram atomic mass in this case, because it is monoatomic in nature. What will be 1 mole of carbon? Na gram atomic mass of carbon. What is atomic mass of carbon? 12. That means gram atomic mass will be 12 gram. So 12 gram of atom means 1 mole of carbon. 12 gram of carbon means 1 mole. So what is the number of? So number of atoms of carbon present in 60 gram, 36 gram, in 36 gram, given is 36 gram, will be number of moles into Avogadro's number. Number of moles how to find out? Now given mass divided by gram atomic mass into Avogadro's number Na. So this will give you the number of atoms present in 36 gram. Given mass is 36 gram. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. So what will be gram atomic mass? Now 12 gram into Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So 36, 12 cancel out, it will be 3. Okay, so it will be 3 into 6.023, that is 18.069 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So this is the answer. So there will be 18.069 into 10 to the power 23 atoms in 36 gram of carbon. Okay. Next, a very simple numerical based on volume again. Based on volume. Next question. How many molecules of oxygen would be there which occupies 2.24 liter volume at STP. कौन क्वेश्चन है ना? If oxygen is occupying a certain volume at standard temperature pressure, what is the volume? Na 2.24 liter. Then how many molecules of oxygen will be present there? Okay, so how to solve it? Answer. Okay, so from the volume itself, oxygen is a gas. You can find out the number of moles. So number of moles of O2 कितना होगा? Now given volume, that is 2.24 liter divided by molar volume, that is 22.4 liter. So from this is also we can find out the number of moles of oxygen present. Given volume कितना है? 2.24 liter divided by molar volume. Molar volume means volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at a standard temperature and pressure. So it will be 0.1. Okay, so number of moles of oxygen is 0.1. We know that 1 mole of O2 contains how many molecules? Now forget the number of molecules, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. That is the definition of mole. So 1 mole of any substance will contain Avogadro number of molecules. No doubt there. So 0.1 mole of oxygen would contain 0.1 into Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay. Point 1 means 1 by 10 into 10 to the power 23. So power will be reduced by one number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. Okay. So in the meanwhile, I have solved some typical examples which are asked mostly from mole concept. So this is for today. I will be giving you some more assignments. You solve the assignments and send it to me. Okay. Next I will be giving you some assignments. So next students, as I told you, I will be giving you some assignments for today's class. Question number 1. Arrange the following in the increasing order of volume occupied by them at STP. That means obviously I am giving some gases only. So oxygen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and methane, all of them are gases. And you know their volume at STP can be easily calculated. I have given you so many examples. So first step is you calculate the volume to be occupied by these gases at STP. Then arrange them in the increasing order of the volume occupied. That means in the increasing order means we have to start from the lowest one. Lowest one first, then put a less than symbol, then the next one, again less than symbol, then the next one. Okay, like this. So increasing order means we have to start from the lowest one, then go for the highest one. So you can easily calculate the volume to be occupied by these gases at standard temperature pressure. Simply arrange them in the increasing order of their volume occupied at STP. Okay, so I think you can solve it. It is not a difficult problem at all. Then next one, what will be the mass of carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide, you know the formula is CO. So in case of incomplete combustion, carbon monoxide is produced. You know, you have read it earlier. So what will be the mass of carbon monoxide CO, which contains same number of molecules as present in 36 gram water? Again, this question has 2 bits. You have to solve it from the reverse one as you solved today. Okay. So first you have to calculate the number of molecules present in 36 gram of water. You can calculate it. So first you calculate the number of molecules present in 36 gram of water. Then carbon monoxide, when contains the same number of molecules, what will be the mass of carbon monoxide? You have to solve it. So these are the 2 simple assignments which I have given to you. With this we conclude today's class. Mole concept, next class I will be solving these assignments. We will be proceeding to the next part. So students, once again I appeal you to solve these numericals and send it to me. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you very much.